It's not easy, guys. Content curating. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, come along with me, guys. Let's go and shop at Walmart. Do you guys want to see what they have in stock? Yeah, let's. Yes. It's neighborhood Walmart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. And as you can see, today she's at Walmart again. So make sure you like and subscribe and watch to the end to see all the stuff she bought. So let's get on to this video. As you can see, this is the most random place to be in Walmart. But anyway, she's at the health section. Okay, let's see what she's about to get. Okay, just scrolling through, I see. Ew, I do not like those products. Okay, hot cone. So I guess we're just walking and not getting anything, or okay. She's going to the vegetable. Now, okay, the floors are super dirty, which is so disgusting. Ew, okay, she got some popsicles. Because, you know, some are around the corner, so why not? If you don't got popsicles in your house in Texas, yeah, you're missing out because it's so hot outside. As you can see, the meat. Okay, now she's going to get, oh, I guess she didn't get it. What is this? Sausages. Now she's going to be scrolling. Okay, now we're in the seasoning aisle. No clue what we're looking for. Let's find out. I guess she's getting some tomato sauce. Is that what it is, guys? I don't know what it's called. Oh, she didn't get it. She just looked at it. Okay, because I be doing that too. Now we're at the, ew, I do not like all these stuff. Oh, chili. Okay, glad that she didn't get that. I don't like that. I don't like chili. Macaroni. And if you like the Walmart macaronis, you're disgusting. Now she's at the snack area. Why is everything moving so fast? Now we're in the cheese aisle. She's gonna get the mozzarella cheese. Oh my god, thank God she finally put something in that cart after hours and years of just scrolling around. Now she's gonna get some pepperoni. Can you guys guess what she's about to make? Then she's gonna get some, see, that's really affordable for pepperoni. Not a bad price. Then next she's going to the juice area, which we just got a glance of. Now we're at the snack area again. So why are we getting goldfish this time but not the last time? But I guess we get some goldfish. I don't like goldfish, by the way. I don't know why she's getting goldfish. because I don't like goldfish. Now, ooh, I love sour cream. She should have got some. No clue what she's looking for. Now, is this mushrooms? I don't like mushrooms, I'm not gonna lie. No, this is queso. Salsa, not queso. Sorry. Ooh, I love these juices. The kombuchas. Oh my gosh. Just no. Now she's walking around again. Now we're looking at the eggs. Oh, I love those chips that she just, oh my gosh, those are my favorite chips on earth. Actually, not my favorite chips. Let me not. That's not my favorite chips gotta be the honey butter chips, the Asian ones. Okay, now we're going to the, she gets some classic Lay's. Wow. I'm not a really big fan of Lay's, but that's pretty good for them, to the people who like Lay's. So now we're looking at Tostitos. Is she gonna get some or no? Well, ew, these chips look nasty. But anyways, back to the Tostitos. I guess she looks at what these are. Chunky salsa. I do not like chunky salsa. Like, I can never eat something like that. I feel like I'll vomit trying to eat that. Absolutely not. Next, on the border, she found some better salsa. Now we're walking to the cereal aisle. Now, if you don't like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, then are you really a normal human being? Like, imagine not liking Cinnamon Toast Crunch. What's the best cereal on earth? Okay, now we're walking. Ooh, I do not like Gatorade. Ew. Okay, now we're looking at the cakes. These cakes. Y'all used to like talk down on Walmart cake, but Walmart cake is not that bad. It is not that bad. Now she's getting some bread, some French bread, and she decides to get the donuts instead. Like, we were supposed to look for bread, now you're getting the donuts. Okay. It's funny. She was literally looking at the bread and said she gets the donut. Wow. Now we're at the cans and more sauces. Haven't we already got enough salsa and tomato sauce? This is a lot. Okay, she gets the red one. Wait, never mind. They're all red. But I think this is enough. Okay, see, total pretty affordable. $64.82 for how many items? No clue, I forgot. But now we're on the way back to the car. Look at all that stuff we got. Look at the baby on the cart. So now we're exiting Walmart,
So
going
guys,
back
I
into
just
the
got
car.
what I want to buy at
If they can
Walmart.
find.
Yeah. So now going back to the car on my way home. Yes. It's not easy, guys. Content creating is not easy. Guys, please support us by watching our content. It's not easy. Hold the phone up and down, filming is work. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribe and turn your notification bell on so when I upload, you know. Thank you.